Yeah, the danias. There you go. You can put as much as you want. And your food is done. We are ready to plate, guys. Packed. So if you don't want to have bacon, you can actually do the cabbage without the bacon and it will be just as good. So we're going to put this in our plate for the side. Yummy cabbage with bacon and your side coconut rice. There you go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. And on this amazing episode, I'm going to teach you a low carb diet that you will love, a low carb recipe that you will love, and it's amazing. And we're going to use a cabbage. Look at that. You're going to love this one. So stay tuned. Give me that like, share this video. Let's get started. So guys, we don't need a lot of ingredients. Actually, this is all we need. So come have a look. We're gonna have, of course, our cabbage, and for our secret ingredient, we have our bacon, and we're gonna make it so crispy. You're gonna love it. So we're gonna have that. So we're going to have also salt, our minced garlic. We're going to have a side of rice. So we have 1.5 cups of rice, some desiccated coconut, and to spice things up, some black pepper, some paprika, and of course to garnish, some parsley or coriander. And then to cook, we're going to have our vegetable oil. So the first thing we're going to do is heat our pot with some water. How you measure a rice? You're going to use 3 cups of we're going to use 3 cups of rice because we have used 1.5 cups of rice. So we're going to put 3 cups of water on our pot. We're going to let that boil. As it boils, we're going to wash our rice. Once your rice is washed, we're gonna put it here so that we're going to work on our cabbage. Our cabbage is like this, so make sure you remove the outer part that you're not using, and until it's clean, the part where you want it to be clean. And then you're going to wash it. You can wash it. So you're left with something like this. What I do is I cut it into 4. I'm gonna wipe this off. You can see this part. So what you do, you put it like that, and then you cut like that, and then you cut into quarters again. There you go. If you have this part, you can remove it, the hard part, because we are not going to use it. You can see, just remove it. Just remove it, and then you have something like this. So what you do with this one, you cut it like this across, or you can start where the corner is. You just go like this. And then this part is when you're going to dice them again. So we're gonna turn it, and then you dice them like this. So you have something like this. Look at that, amazing. So you can put this on your tray. Then we go ahead and cut the rest. That easy. You've done your cabbage. All done. Very easy to prepare. So the next step we're going to do is work on our bacon. So what you do is you put it and you layer it. Mine is already layered. You can see it has a number of pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just layer it like that, and then you cut it into half like this. So make sure your knife is very sharp. So you're gonna cut across like that, because you can see there are layers. So what you're going to do is cut again. I'm gonna move this. So you cut them like this, just dice them again like that. You cut across. If it's big like this batch, you can do twice, but I don't want them to get lost, so I'm gonna do only twice and then cut across just like this. Have something like this. All done. So we're going to put this here. The next step is heat our pan on medium heat. Once it's done, we're going to put our bacon and let it cook. On medium. So our water has boiled for rice. We're going to cover this also. I'm gonna cover that. Going to put our rice. What I do in the rice, I just put a bit of salt on it, say 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon, sorry. And then for our coconut, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of coconut. And then I always like putting a bit of oil on it as it cooks. So we'll cover this and it will be done in 15 minutes. Your rice is done and then you have your bacon. I'm gonna keep stirring on this one. You can try separating the parts that looks like they're stuck together, because you want it to be like small pieces, not stuck together. The secret to our so let it cook for around 5-10 minutes. Our rice is almost done, as you can see. I like it when it's just one, not so clumped together. Look at that. Our coconut rice done. So we have our bacon. Look at that, it's crispy. When you see the browning, you know it's just almost getting well done. You want it very crispy. So this is done. We're going to put this on a separate plate. Smells amazing. Look at that. As you can see, there's a bit of their juices left. So we're going to use this and then put our onion on it. And cook our onion on it. Can just add 1 teaspoon of oil. So we're going to cook our onions for 2 minutes. Stirring. So the next thing, we add our garlic. For roughly a minute. So next we're going to add our cabbage. Look at that. And then 1 tablespoon of butter, just put it on top. 1 tablespoon of butter. We are also going to add our black pepper. And then a bit of salt. There you go. You can add actually any spice you have. If you want to add paprika, you can do a bit of paprika too, depending on the spices that you have. So this you'll cover, let's say cook for 10 minutes on low heat, because all this will go away. We just cover it, wait for 15 minutes and your food will be done. Yes. On a low carb diet, this is cabbage easier to go meal, and if you like it really tasty, this is a very good hack. So the next thing we're going to do is put our streaky bacon. Look at that, it's amazing. Remember, you can add your bell peppers, the yellow, the red, if you want a bit of color in your cabbage, but this is still okay. Looks good. Yeah. If you like that color like me, you can add a bit of soy sauce just to finish off. And of course your danias, okay, they give it a bit of green. Yeah, the danias, there you go. You can put as much as you want, and your food is done. We are ready to plate, guys. Looks amazing. So we are ready to plate this. Yummy! And of course a drink to go on the side. So what you do is, for your rice, I normally use a cup, so because you want your presentation to be really well. So you just put your rice in the cup like this, and you can see it just it's not clumped together, it is just one. You just press it like this, press it down, and then what you do is you put it at the center of your plate like this, and then you let it go like that, and then you have a nice presentation. So the next thing, for your cabbage, look at that, so good, so yummy. Look at that. Yummy cabbage with bacon and your side coconut rice. There you go. This was very easy to make and so extremely exciting. I loved every step of it. If you've not followed every step, make sure you rewind this video and then you're able to know how to make this amazing meal. I'm gonna have a taste. So of course a bit of some vegetables. It's so good, so good. It's amazing. It is so good. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for liking. Share this video. Yes. So that's it from me, guys. So bye bye.